Hey guys, it's Starfighter 501 here, and we're doing an unboxing an unboxing video, and it's going to be of the new, not new, but the Dangerous Power G4. I ordered this last week, Tuesday I believe, and it came in today, which is Tuesday. I get the Dangerous Power G5 did come out. I had the option of buying that. It came out, I think, the day that I ordered the G4, but I just opted not to buy it. So all right, we'll just jump right into it. See there, ANS gear. It was 3.6 pounds. If you can see that. All right, so we'll get the switchblade out, and we'll go ahead and I already took away some of the tape to make it a little easier. Just a little difficult here. We got it. Other side here. And that's that. Put that away. Alright, so we got it opened up. We're gonna go ahead and check out what's waiting for us inside. So open the box up here. Got packing paper. And we got our packing slip and our ANS gear advertisement. The die rotors. I will be getting this liquid gray model right here to match the gun. Don't really see anything else that looks that interesting except the Planet Eclipse gear bag. Hopefully they get one of those too soon, one day or another. And here we go in the box. Since it is a Frost version, you do get the white box. So that's nice. Alright. Move this box out of the way. We'll get to the actual gun here. Here we go. This is the box, the G4 box. You can see G4, Dangerous DP Engineering. A little QR code down there for some reason. Warning label, G4. DP Engineering. Just the hand strap. Handhold. The color and whatnot. Got, as you can see, I got Frost Black. And G4 again. So we'll go ahead and turn this around and get it opened up. They have very nice packaging, I have to say. For a gun of this price, the packaging is very nice. It's probably one of the best $300 guns you can find. Like I said about this packaging, I mean, you open the box, this is what you see. You see the owner's manual, which is full color. This is very nice. Got a little hologram on there. DP Engineering symbol. I'll also give you some stickers here. And here's your padding. And there it is. There's the Dangerous Power G4. Like I said, Frost Black. Frost is pretty much white. So yeah. We'll go ahead and take this out. Actually, first you can see it's really nicely packaged. It's nice and secure in here. It's not going to be rattling around or anything. But let's go ahead and take it out. And here's the marker. It's very lightweight. You just hear that trigger. There's the, you can just see down to the the breech, the feed neck here. Got the lever clamping feed neck. There's the back cap there, not toolless. Here's the board switch. See if it'll turn on. Okay, maybe it doesn't include batteries out of the way, but that's okay, it's no big deal. And here you got the wraps on and off ASA. Simply, you can't really, you can see it a little better up there. Pretty nice. Grips here. One of these days I might get a OLED Rampage board. It's the regulator and the macro line and fittings on the outside here. Just want to. Alright, we'll just set that off to the side right now. Nothing more in this section. We just remove that. And down here we have the 13.5 technically barrel. Again, it's pretty much white, even though it's really frost black. Guess we'll go ahead and put that on. Try to do this one-handed. That's it, full length. We'll get that in a second. We'll just look and see what's the rest of the box. So here we have some Allen keys. And a little set there. We have a Danish Power barrel sock, barrel condom, whatever you want to call it. We have a O-ring set here. I'll probably just go ahead and I'm probably going to purchase the just the A&S Gear rebuild package for the G4. It's got 3 times the O-rings. This is the barrel sock here. I like it. It's small and whatnot, but it'll do. Does the job. And here's the gun itself. Or should I say marker? And we'll just set that off to the side for a second. Yeah, that's probably getting the box out. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I forgot to mention this weighs out at about 1.6, 1.8 pounds, I think. So very lightweight. Looks nice, feels nice. So yeah, expect a review soon. Hopefully I'll get a die rotor unboxing one of these days once I purchase that. And that's it. Thank you, Starfighter 501 out.